So let's talk about first, what is Excel? A lot of you have probably heard the term, and you might even have a general idea of what you do with Excel, and you know that it has this thing called a spreadsheet. But really, let's talk about what it's supposed to do. Excel is a spreadsheet program, and what you're looking at right now is an example of a spreadsheet. What does this do for us? Well, pretty much it allows us to enter data or information. We can enter text, words, descriptions. We can enter numbers. We can enter currency, all these kinds of values. And obviously it keeps track of that and organizes it nice for us. But it does way more than that. It lets us calculate things based on those numbers or those values or whatever is actually in there that we're manipulating. We can then take that information and create charts out of it. And charts are something that we're going to learn about later on, give us a visual aid, some visual feedback. But let me go ahead. The way that we're going to start is we're going to deal with the interface first. I'm going to show you all the ins and outs of how Excel actually works, how you get around inside of it. I'm not going to waste a lot of your time, though, with a bunch of things that you'll never use. We're going to deal with the things that will make you productive. And that's why a lot of training that you'll see out there is, like 5, 6, 7 hours long for Excel. Now, there is a lot of stuff in here. Okay, there's a lot of things that it can do. But 75–80% of what Excel does, most people don't even use it, even in the business world. So what I'm going to be showing you is the things that you need to know to start being productive with Excel and actually start getting something out of it and feel comfortable inside the application. You're going to know, in other words, when we're done with this course, you're going to know everything you need to be able to put Excel on your resume. Say you're looking for a job or you want to get a promotion. And not only that, not only can you put it on your resume, but then when they give you the job, they give you that promotion, and they set you down at the computer, you can say, hey, I know how to do this. So let's go ahead and get started in the next video with the interface.